Men over 60, listen carefully. If you wake up in the morning and your manhood feels silent, if that natural strength you once relied on is gone, it is not because of age. The real truth may surprise you. Your body is not broken. Your erections have not disappeared forever. They have only gone quiet. And with the right touch, the right breath, and the right habits, they can be awakened again. Today, I will show you something that can change everything. 3 overlooked points on your body, like hidden switches, that can restore blood flow, sensation, and natural morning strength without pills, without surgery, and without fear. Stay with me, because once you know them, you may realize your body is far more capable than you ever imagined. Before we begin, take a second to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss another life-changing tip from AgeWise. And type 1 in the comments if you want your strength back. If you feel skeptical, type 0. Your feedback helps shape these lessons for you. The truth about aging and erections. Here is the first truth you need to hear. The loss of morning erections is not proof that you are broken, damaged, or finished. What really happens is simple. Your body's natural pathways for blood and nerve signals become quiet. Think of it like a room in your home that you stopped visiting. The lights still work, the power is still there, but because the switch has not been flipped in years, the room stays dark. Erections work the same way. The current is still alive inside you. It just needs to be switched on again. I once met a man named Harold, 74 years old, who told me, "I just want to wake up one morning and feel alive again." Within weeks of practicing what I will share today, he called with joy in his voice. It happened. I woke up feeling strong for the first time in 10 years. That is the truth. Age does not erase your ability. It only quiets the signals. But those signals can be reawakened. Above the pubic bone. The first point lies just above your pubic bone, that small stretch where the belly meets the pelvis. Few men ever think about this area, but it is one of the most important command centers of male vitality. When gently pressed with breath and awareness, many men feel something stir, subtle at first, then warmer, stronger, and more alive. Why? Because beneath this spot run major blood vessels and nerves that feed your lower organs. By stimulating it, you remind your body to send blood and energy back where it belongs. Not force, not pressure, just presence and care. I recall a man named Walter, age 67. He said, "I thought I lost everything." When I guided him to press this spot daily, within 2 weeks, he told me, "Every morning, I feel life again." The perineum. The second point is a place almost no man pays attention to, the soft space between the scrotum and the anus. In Eastern medicine, it has been valued for thousands of years. In Western medicine, it is rarely mentioned, yet it holds extraordinary power. When ignored, this area becomes tight and circulation slows. But when gently pressed or sat upon with mindful breathing, it unlocks flow, sensation, and vitality. I remember Thomas, a 71-year-old Marine veteran. He said, "It is like the lights went out down there." Within days of focusing on this point, he called me saying, "I feel a pulse again. I feel alive." This point works like a valve. Once opened, blood moves freely, nerve signals reconnect, and strength begins to return. Inner thigh line. The third point may surprise you. It is not even on your groin. It lies along the crease of your inner thigh, where the leg meets the lower abdomen. Beneath it runs the femoral artery and nerve, 2 major highways of blood flow and sensation. When these pathways tighten from years of sitting or neglect, erections lose their volume and strength. But when awakened, the body responds quickly. I think of Earl, a 68-year-old truck driver. After decades of sitting, he believed his thighs had nothing to do with his manhood. When he learned to press and breathe into this area, he was shocked. "The blood is moving again," he said. 2 weeks later, his mornings were alive again. This is the power of the inner thigh line. It restores not only blood flow, but also dignity and confidence. Why these points work? The science is clear. Erections are the result of 2 systems, blood flow and nerve signals. When blocked, they fade. When cleared, they return. The point above the pubic bone reawakens circulation deep in the pelvis. The perineum acts as a valve, reconnecting blood and nerve flow. The inner thigh line opens the main highway, sending power back to your manhood. When these circuits are awakened, the body remembers what it once did with ease. To keep the changes alive, you must support them with simple daily habits. Deep belly breathing, just 5 minutes a day, calms blood pressure, relaxes vessels, and increases nitric oxide. Warm water in the morning thins the blood gently and primes circulation. Less sugar at night. Sugar quietly damages your arteries. Less sugar means stronger morning erections. A short walk after dinner keeps circulation alive and supports overnight blood flow. Treat your body with patience. Approach these practices with care, not frustration. The body listens to respect. These habits turn sparks into lasting flames. I have seen countless men reclaim their mornings. Harold, who felt alive again after 10 years. Leonard, who discovered his body could still respond at 69. Earl, who gained not only erections but also energy and confidence. These are not just stories of physical change. They are stories of hope, dignity, and life returning. The truth is this: real change does not come from trying once. It comes from daily commitment. A few minutes of breathing, pressing, and walking may seem small, but repeated with care, they rewrite the story of your body. This is not about chasing youth. It is about reclaiming the strength, confidence, and pride that still live inside you. When you choose to show up daily, your body responds. And when it responds, you realize your best years are not behind you. They are alive right now. So, here is my message to you: your body is not broken. Your erections are not gone. They are waiting to be reawakened. 3 points: the pubic bone, the perineum, and the inner thigh, are the keys. Combine them with daily habits, and you will not only wake up harder, you will wake up stronger, prouder, and more alive than ever before. If this spoke to you, type yes in the comments right now. If you are ready to reclaim your strength, start today. Press the points. Breathe deeply. Walk after dinner. Drink your warm water. And most importantly, subscribe to Age Wise, because this is only the beginning. Together, we will keep unlocking the secrets to living strong, confident, and vibrant at any age.